Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to select any file that you want to permanently delete on your Windows PC. Let's say, for instance, I want to delete all these Camtasia files right here. What we want to do is to select on the file. Then I'll press Ctrl key down and select each and all the file right here. So you need to select them all. So you can use this format to permanently delete any file, as many as possible file. I'm going to press Ctrl key down, select this and select this. Having selected all the file you want to permanently delete, the first thing you want to do is to press Shift key and delete key on your keyboard. And a window like this is going to pop up right here. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this 10 file? Simply click on yes right here. Now, all the file is going to be permanently deleted, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. So if you have something like this, click on do this for all current items and click on yes, and it will complete delete permanently. And with that, there is no way you can recover this particular file. Be sure that you are completely and permanently ready to delete those files in order to free up more storage space on your Windows PC. For more tutorial about how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.